Christmas, welcome, it's Scarlet Pete's Self-Sufficiency, and I thought I'd share with you a little tip on how to clean your brass perfectly. Copper and brass, just like I've got here. We've got a pair of candlesticks, one has been used and clean, one hasn't. We've got my kettle that looks absolutely filthy, but it's actually clean now. And we've got a mug thing there as well, all brass and copper. Last night I made some mulled wine, and what we have here is wine, spices, orange, lemon, etc. And I realised that it was probably quite an acidic mix, so I thought I'd try it on my brass to see how it came up. Well, the result is amazing. I rubbed it all over it and left it to see how it would clean up. And, well, except for the slush of the orange juice and everything on it, and the lemon peels, it looks brilliant. Check out the candlesticks. You can see the one that's been done and the one that hasn't. I think the thing that shows it up most is the kettle, though, because the kettle was this horrible dirty copper colour, and now it's a lovely rosy pink copper colour. So all that's left to do now, after thoroughly having rubbed this all over like this, you can even add a little bit of salt if you want. All that's left to do now is wash it off in some water, which I just happen to have boiling on the fire. Just going to wash it off now, and it should come up like new. There you are. What do you think? Does that look good? Just to prove the technique works, I've got something to show you that I'll do with you on screen now. There. I've got an old copper cylinder funnel. What do you think? Do you think that's dirty enough to test the theory? Let's have a look how it goes. I've got a handful of the lemon and wine mixture. There's even a cinnamon stick in there. We'll get rid of that. And I'm just going to rub it on. Just like this. There you go. You can see where I've rubbed it in. It's just starting to work. It takes a bit of time to change the colour. But this side I've not done. I did a stripe there with vinegar, just one stripe with my finger. But I've left that with the citrus peel and wine soaking, and we'll see what it's like in a minute. Right, I think you can see, there's the untouched bit. You can just about see the vinegar stripe there. That is just a lightening, but that is the citrus and the wine. I think you can say it works. So I'm going to immerse that in a lot more and do the whole thing. And the inside look, it's completely black. When it's clean, it'll hang up nicely in my kitchen and look nice. I won't be using it because we do have to be careful. If the tin lining has worn off, then we could have a dangerous verdigris, which is a green reaction with the copper, which you don't want to take into your body. So that's why we don't have copper moulds anymore, because they found out it was dangerous. So I used my copper kettle for boiling up water for my hot water bottle. It has got a nice tin lining, but I just love it on the side for my hot water bottle. And I use my candlesticks for my candles, for power cuts. And I've got another one to finish off there, and this one to wash off. So I hope that tip helps you. It was just wine and orange peels and lemon peel, and that's it. It worked. So we had the niceness of drinking the wine, then when we finished the wine we rubbed it all on and we left it overnight and washed it off in the morning. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like, subscribe, share and give me a comment so I know you're there, and enjoy what's left of the rest of your Christmas. Take care. Bye bye. Happy Christmas.